So till now, you know what is profile, what is permission set, what is OWD. But I know it is bit confusing when we are applying all together. And yeah, every time when we do it again and again, it is like we are not able to understand it. So for that, this class is for. Moment. So can someone tell what is OWD?
Organization wide defaults.
Correct. So what does it mean?
By default, I mean some files has the access to all of organization,
Hmm.
like public, private, public read, write, public PRO, that kind.
Yeah, exactly. But a bit modified. Like
Mm.
whatever the someone said, no, PRO, PRW, those accesses when we provide to any object that will be applied to the entire organization. So in the entire organization, we might have like a company called as Capgemini, Accenture. Those are MNCs. In their company, they might be running a like people with 1,500 in Salesforce teams and all, no. So all 1,500 people will be working in one Salesforce org. So all of them are considered as users. So this will be applied to all the users irrespective of profile, permission set, whatever it is there. It will be affected. Okay. And what is profile?
Profile is something we will assign to a user.
Hmm. Correct. And
Like selective sharing.
yeah, very good. This is actually expected by most of the interviews. Like interviewers want this keyword selective sharing for the group of users. Okay, which is not possible in OWD, but we can achieve it by profile. Okay, and what is permission set?
One profile has only one department, so we need to create one permission set to access another department.
Very good. So this is functional. I'm really happy because you understood the concept. So you know the use case, but exact definition.
I mean, a profile can have many users,
Yeah,
but one user can have only one department.
that is true. So yeah, one profile will always have many users, but one user can have only one profile. So at a time, he cannot work on all the departments. So for that, you are saying we can create the permission set and assign it to him. That is exactly true. But when we ask for a definition, you have to say that permission set is similar to profile, but it is extension to that. That means the permissions whatever we are giving, no, that are extended permissions, and always we provide extra access, and we cannot restrict the access. Okay. So permission set is an extension to the profile, and we can always give an access through the extra permissions through the permissions which are restricted at profile level. Okay. And whatever you said was a use case. Excellent. When you say in an interview or internal interview, I know now you can go through the, like you will take some of the we can clear the interviews with the help of someone, but inside after going they will always behind you. Like a manager comes and asks, like, okay, today you have an interview with the client, so can you manage? Yes, of course you have to manage because you have given the interview. But when you go inside, you don't know anything means they will again start your background verification, and once if you fail in that, again you're like back to school. We cannot do anything. So for that I want you to learn each and everything, at least for the purpose of definitions. When they ask, you have to confidently say, yes, yes, I have worked on this. So profile permission set is an extension to profile, and here we can add the extra permissions which are restricted at profile level. And the use case is like any department person is working on one department. When there is a need of working for another department or some more extra access is needed, we cannot change the profile. Like at a time only one person will have one profile, so we can add multiple permission sets to give the extra permissions. So like this, if you say definition with example, so you are always a better candidate. Okay. Okay, no. When you are
Okay,
silent, no, it
Kalpana.
is of no use, guys. You should speak. You have to speak. No, going forward, you have to be that confident that you really worked. At least you have to speak in this team's meeting so that you will be able to understand, okay, this is your team, you're working in a team, so that you can go out and speak also in the same way. And there is no need of being very good English speaker. The thing is we have to be communicating, that's all. Whatever you say, the other person should understand. Ultimately there is no need of you have to use the proper grammar. Everything is not needed, because so many people in the industry are surviving like that only, no. And most, if luckily you are into a Telugu speaking or Kannada speaking project, so you are a very lucky person. There is no need of English at all. So first thing is we have to speak. Okay. Okay, then we understood what are those. So we'll be more confident on the what are those and how we can apply. Okay. So you will have some. So today's class is all about clarity on OWD profiles and permission sets. So profile CRED, this applies to records where the owner of the record is working on the records. So now profile is there. And most easy thing when you're searching for a single profile, you can directly go to user and from there you can open the profile. What is our object, guys? Okay. So this is our object. So whenever you create, so I'll just will directly go to concepts. Great. So these are the basic accesses which we provide for all the users. So if a department wants to work on students object, the basic one is CRED. because this means a user can create, like for example, this is applied for both their own records and the other records, but the initial thing is the person has to work on at least he has created some records, no, because he's owner. And if he does not have the other permissions, means this is not correct. So at that time in real time projects what we do is, so now Tom and Tom as usual, and here only I have typed. So Tom created record number 9. You can take any record. So now Tom has created this record. So if we limit his access for only like C, or only C means he will be able to create the record, but he will not be able to like read it or edit it or delete it, because he does not has the access for that. And even though he is a owner, actually he is a owner, that means we have to give full permissions for at least his own records, no. So that is the reason in the real time projects what we do is, when we create an object, and if that department wants to work on the like that object, so we have to provide the full access. But yeah, sometimes based on the requirement they just give like edit and delete, or create and read, that's all. Because once created there is no need of editing, means they can just give this. If they do not want to delete, means they will give only this much. Okay, this is for their own records. But if Sham created, like Sham has created seventh record, now Tom wants to access record number 7. So will he be able to work on that record? Yes, no?
Yeah, Kalpana. Yeah.
Actually, no, because it applies to the owner. Like once created, this all four permissions are basic permissions, which are like acts for their own records. If you want to, like this records will have value when there is a OWD as PRO or PRW. What happens, when VA or MA is not selected, VA and MA are for the other records. So here you can see view all and modify all. View all, modify all is for the others record, and this is for the R record. But this will also apply when OWD is also present. Okay. As of now, if only with four uh, CRED options, you will be able to. One moment, guys. Hello. Hi, Shalini. ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ. Okay. So Shalini was not able to log in, it seems. So she gave a call. Huh. This is for your clarity. Now, these four are already there, but OWD is private, means red is there. Okay. So now how it access? Tom cannot access Sham. Okay. This is the first one. If Cred is there and this becomes PRO. So read only. Uh, VAMA is not there. Okay. When this is not there, it will always consider this OWD. And this and this will work together. Okay. So now what should be the answer? Can R7, like Sham's record, can be accessed by Tom or not? Can he see or not? Yes, he should be seeing. Because now from here he has all the permissions for his own records. But since VAMA is not there, he will check for OWD. The system will check for OWD. OW is saying read only for others records. This is for others records. Okay. So now PRO is for others records also. He says, okay, yes, you can just read the others records. Okay. And now one more similarly. Now it is PRW. What does this mean? Tom can even edit the records of Sham. But even though it is PRW, there is no option for delete. So he will not be able to delete the record. That's all. Okay, this is on others records. We'll see live records soon, like a live example soon. This is all. Now we'll speak about the VAMA and how it works. So now it is private again. VAMA. Here, view all is yes. This is no. Okay. So what is the expectation now, guys? Only with the cred, yes, and VA is yes. This is private. So these things, these two are very like powerful things in the whole, like entire Salesforce. So this will not be given in the real time projects, but still we'll be knowing it. VA yes and MEA no. This means these two are acting on the others records. Okay. When you want to give for Tom the access of entire others records, then you have to go to this. But again, this is applicable only if cred is yes. Okay, cred means not all the things. Now for view all, what was the one which was selecting directly?
Read only.
See, when I do it automatically, this will checkbox. Okay, so this means now first what we will what Salesforce will do, cred is yes or no, it will see. Yeah, the cred is yes. So VA is telling view all. That means read permission should be there. So whether in the cred it is added, yeah, it is added. That means you can directly from here provide the access. But what access? Only view. This means view. Okay. And modify is not given. So no modification for others records. But your record, yes, yes, you can do it for your records. Okay. And one more scenario, guys. Now, this is yes, and now I'll give PRO here. Now, guess what it should be happening? Actually, the thing is now cred is saying yes, and it will check for VA. Yes, it is telling. That means from here only we gave the view others records also permission. But again, after this, Salesforce will go to OWD, what it is there. So it is telling PRO. That means read only access for the others records. So already we have given the same access, so no need of worrying. It has been already given, so Salesforce will ignore it. I have already given bro, and it was because of VA. Okay, fine, that is done. That means view access was already given by VA and it is of no use when it is declared in OWD also. But so if I do it this, what it will do? Now, at this case, what it will do is check for CRED, yes, VA, yes. So, because of this, view access was given. Modify all is no. So, because of this, no other permissions were given. But again, after this, it went to OWD, and now OWD is telling, I want to give it PRW. Okay, so the access is more than this here. So what it will do is, okay, OWD is telling to give extra permissions. That is right. Okay, fine. Then I'll give the write and edit permissions also for others records. Then this is the condition. Okay, understood. And again, we'll come back to private, and this is VA. Sorry. Yes. Okay, then this is a like most strongest one, because here you are even adding the permissions of delete also when you click on modify all. See, when I click on modify all, automatically everything is being checked. Okay, for others records, what we want to do is we just need to read, edit and delete, because others record we cannot create it, no. So for that reason, only create is neglected. So now what is the thing here is modify is already given. Now, after this, if I go to OWD, is it work like is it necessary? No, because private means it is telling no, no, don't give. Only we will work. Salesforce is telling the first thing is we'll go to VAMA. Once they grant any access, I cannot do anything. Even though if I come to you, if you say something me to do, I'll not be able to do. So since already these people gave the permission, if you are saying private, I cannot do anything. Okay, fine. So now he will tell do PRO. Again, Salesforce is telling already they have given all the permissions, so that includes PRO also. So what is the need of seeing you? Okay, fine. Give PRW. No, it's of no use, because already in this modify it includes PRW and extra is delete option is also added. So I cannot do anything because already given. Why should I respect you? Is what Salesforce says. Okay. Now did you get something? We'll see it in the real time examples. Hmm. So now what we will do is we'll just give a cred option for the students. For some time you assume that we had a requirement discussing yesterday, no, that sham is sham is from other department, so he wants to work on the finance department of Tom. So now we have to give the access of Sham, give access to Sham for the Tom's project. At that time we'll create the permission set, but as of now we'll just speak about the profile. Okay, just save. I have just given the basic permissions, which is CRED, and we'll see for OWD what it is there. What should I search for the OWD, guys, in the quick find box?
settings, Kalpana.
Correct. And then next thing is you have to search for your object and directly came. So now it is telling public read only. So now since it is read only, yesterday we were able to work on this. Like we can just see the records, but we were not able to like edit the records. Okay. So I'll just change it to private. So you will get like good understanding. And now we'll go to, yeah, profile. We have given the permissions. So what is the expectation, guys? Now, this is private. This is no. Tell me what it should be. Can Tom able to see the records of Sham or not? At least try a guess, no? Yes, no. There are only two options. You can say anything.
No, Kalpana. No. No, Kalpana.
Wow, excellent. All those people who said no was a correct answer.
Share setting we have given private,
Hmm.
and in the permission set we have given to only the credit.
Huh.
So the user cannot see all.
Yeah, see others' records, correct.
Here.
That cred is only applied for his own records. Once he creates, can he do something? Yeah, for that reason, we are giving cred. Why is it this? Any idea? Hmm?
Because it is created by Tom.
Yeah, exactly. Very good. Since it is records of Tom, so he is able to see. I have given all the permissions for his own records, no? So now we'll try. Can he delete? Yes, of course, he has the delete button. So he can delete. Okay, he has created and he can do editing. Everything he can do. See it allowed. Everything is fine. For his own records, but not for the others' records. So now we'll see the other one. We'll log out as Tom. We'll see scenarios. Now we'll change the OWD as PRO. Okay. What is the expected behavior, guys, now? Hmm? For the others records.
You can only see the records.
Okay, others records he can just see. And for his own records?
Then modify edit.
Correct. Why others are not answering? Yes. So now he is able to see all the records. So we'll quickly click on first record. Now we'll try editing. You saw this? Okay. So this is telling you cannot edit the records of others. But the error will not show like that. It will just say you don't have the necessary privileges to edit this record. The privileges, whatever they are mentioning, no, that should come at least either OWD or profile or permission set. All these three can manage. Okay. Okay, done. And we'll see for one record, which is for their own record. Yeah, this was created by Tom. No? It's there. But guys, did you observe something? I deleted this, no? No, no, no. Yeah. I deleted other one. This was I changed the email ID I added. Okay. So this is fine. So now again we'll log out from Tom. Now what we'll do is we'll change this to PRW and we'll even change, like we'll remove the delete option also. So I'm just removing this. So now what is the expectation, guys?
Editing. You can edit others records.
So for his records, okay, for others records he will be able to edit. Fine. Edit includes edit,
Create also.
create for other records. How we can create others record? No, no,
Oh,
because
sorry. Edit
huh,
only.
edit and read. That's all. Here you can see the options clearly. No, read and write. That's all. Write means edit. That's all we can do for others records. And here, what should be the his own records? What he can do with his own records?
Edit, except delete.
Yeah, we can just do this but not delete. And here also same, he can just read and edit but not delete. Okay. Okay, this is Kalpana's record. It has delete option. Let me click delete. Okay, this is the error you get. So every error in the Salesforce, guys, you just have a note down. Okay, so that it will be useful for you in the next while debugging the things. Today, actually, I had got one record, like one task to investigate, because the people who are like owners here, we can even change the owner, no? So while changing, the other person is not able to change to like one more person, it seems. So that was a big challenge for us. Here, you do not have the permission to even change the owner also. Okay, why is it so? Here, no, there should be like for few transfer is there. That means other person can do a transferring. I'll show you that. That is for their only case and lead object. See here, only with this we can do that. Okay, so we'll do one more testing where we will do view all and modify all, and we'll make this as private OWD, and we'll see what it happens. Okay, can we delete? Can we change the owner? Yeah, you understood, no? Now what happened? We were not able to delete it. That's all. Rest all we can do it, but not changing the owner. Okay, let me log out as team Tom. So now what we will do is in the profile level we will give the access. In the OWD, what we thought of giving?
Uh,
So when we select MA, automatically it selects cred. Okay. So now here, what is the expectation for his own records, guys?
Great, great.
Hmm. And will he be able to change the owner? I don't expect correct answer from you guys. Only answer is enough for me.
Yes, correct. So we are giving modify all. Yes. As you said that that both are modify all and view all are the powerful.
Yeah, correct. Now he's able to change the owner. Okay. Tom has that power, so he can do anything. So I wanted to show you that when we see here, I don't think which email I gave. Wait, I'll try for another. Tom to Kalpana will change and send an email. I'll show you how it looks. Okay. So now, as of now, this is like you got idea, no? Change owner, yes. Changing owner is known as transfer in Salesforce. Okay, this is done. And for others record, will he be able to do? Yes, because that was others record only. He tried. Kalpana's to Tom he did. Right. For this also, yes. So, but the question is for his like his own records, he should be having full access, no? So now my question is, tell me this: transfer yes or no for this?
Still we can open.
Hmm?
Still we can do the transfer
How?
because we just uh, modified that view all cannot be seen.
Your
Take it
answer
down.
was correct. The reason is because this delete option is there, no? That
Yeah.
means it can delete the record and even transfer the record. Okay? This is there in the profile level, but not in the OWD level. Delete option is also not there, but transfer is there. That is for limited objects like case and lead. Okay, this will act as both now. So
Okay.
for others records, no transfer is not there because for others
For his
records,
own records, he can do that.
yeah, for his own records he can transfer also when we checkbox this. So now we'll try. What was the PR? Okay, this is this became read writer. We'll do private. Yeah, even though it's read write, we'll check for his own records. Okay, we are removing VAMA. So when we remove the MA, PRW is given. No, even though if I don't give, he will be able to see the all records. This is Tom's own record, no? So we'll see. I have given the delete permission for his own records. VAMA is not given. And from OWD, what we can do, just read and write. That's all. PRW, it was there. That means it can just allow for read and write for others' records also. So now I'm just clicking on the send email. See, it happened for his own record. We'll see for others' records. We have already done that. Why it is not showing? It was PRW, no? Okay, one moment. We'll just have a look whether it has been changed or not. I'm just suspecting it has not been changed. I think it should be still in private. What do you people guys say? Yes, no. Hmm? Now you should be like pro guys because you have now got to know, no? You can able to track it, what is the problem and all. See? Because of this. We changed, but it reflected later, so we just thought it as read right. Even though it was private, the person was able to change it. Okay. I don't think there is need of again testing, no? Is that fine, guys?
And Kalpana.
Okay. So till now you understood, no, how the things are going. So yeah, this will apply for their own records, and if the owner is not if I am not the owner, so can't I do anything with others' records then? If only with cred, that means no, we cannot do anything with that. But again, after this, we'll give respect to WD, and with that, we can do something. From profile or permission set, if you want to give any access, like special access for the others' records, you can provide VA. This is view all, modify all. Okay. So for you guys, can we change profile license once created? Hmm?
Uh,
So
no, Kalpana.
we'll test it also. If you click on edit, so the license is fixed.
So clone profile only, no?
Correct. The answer was correct. Actually, it was clone profile. So while cloning, we chose for Salesforce licensed uh, one profile so that we clone. But once if we want to revert back the changes, we cannot do it. We have to again clone one more profile and create new one. Okay. So can we change user license once created then? What do you say?
You can change Kalpana.
Yes. This can be changed. See here. Okay. Now questions. Like it's a small interview type of thing, but I want everyone to answer, guys. Is that fine? There are no much options. You have just two options. You can say A, B. If anything is wrong, fine. If something is correct, that is good, no? You will learn something. Okay? So now From finance department, there are two people, Tom and Ram, and from sales department, Sham and Beam. So finance department has modify all is equal to yes. Which one is a valid statement is the question. And now Tom can see or edit of only Harry. I think only these many people join, no? Did we miss anyone? Okay, Kavya. She might be joining soon. Let me share my screen, guys. Meanwhile, Shalini. Yeah. Okay, everyone joined in. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So everyone's mic on, microphone. So tell me, can Tom see or edit? Tom can see or edit only Harry's. Tom can see or edit for Ram, Sham, and Beam. Sorry. Yeah. Tell me. Hmm? Okay.
Option B. B, Kalpana. B, Kalpana.
Okay. Excellent, guys. That was correct. Can anyone give a reason?
Because finance department have access to modify all.
Hmm.
Because of that only they can do.
Okay, correct. So because finance department, that means that finance department profile is having the modify all permission. Modify all means irrespective of their own department or others department, they have the access for everyone's records. So now he can do it for Ram, Shambhim, everyone. Even CEO's record also he can access. Okay. Now tell me, OWT is private. For profile on Tom is VAS, MAS. What he can do? Tom can see records of Kalpana or not.
Yes, you can do that. Yes, you can. Yes.
So credit yes, guys. Okay. So he'll be able to see, no?
Yes, Kal. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Will he be able to edit also?
No. No.
No.
Yes, modify.
Yes, Kal.
Yes, you can edit.
Yes, Kalpana, modify. Yes, yes.
Okay, correct. MA is there, no? So we can modify. Okay. So here we got the full permissions. So we are not seeing OWD. So next one. Yeah. Tell me. So OWD is private. Profile of Thomas. VA is equal to yes. And credit is always yes, guys. So you can just assume it. MA is no. So Tom can see records of Kalpana. Yes or no?
Can see Kalpana. Yes. We can see.
So Tom can edit records of Kalpana.
No. No. No.
Okay, so do we need to check OWD? So should we give respect to OWD now?
No, Kalpana.
Why?
Because VA is yes.
Hmm.
And the credits all has been given. Permission credit is also there.
Yeah, correct. So, yeah, since the OWD is telling lower permissions than the profile permission, so we cannot do anything once it is given. Okay, we are just ignoring. Now tell me, OWD is private, profile on Tom is blank and blank. So they have just cred access. So now tell me, can Tom see records of Kalpana?
No, Kalpana.
Okay, and others?
No. For entire no.
Only three boys I heard, that two boys only. Why not girls?
I think he can see
No,
the
Kalpana.
like this.
Okay.
Credit is for his own record only, like Kalpana.
Yes, correct.
For his own profile, things perfect.
So most of them were correct. So now he'll not be able to see others' records. That means Kalpana is also others' record, no? So now in this time, do we need to check the OWD? VAMA is not there.
Okay.
So now, should we go and check OWD, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Kalpana. Yes, Kalpana.
Yes.
We need to check.
So what is private means? Private means
Private.
you have no access, and this is telling for others' records. So both is no. So we'll get the answers like this only. So when there is no VAMA, go to OWD, see what it is telling. So whatever it is telling, that is final. That's all. Private means okay, private for others records. PRO means PRO for others records. Okay, good guys. And now one user can have how many profiles, guys?
Only one.
one,
Only
only
one.
one profile.
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But profile has many users, but user can have only one profile.
correct. So now which is mandatory? Is role or profile?
Profile.
Profile Kalpana.
Okay. Profile.
Correct. So role we can select even none also, but in profile we do not have option of none. So we have to select any of the profiles. Okay. What is the data administrative settings in Salesforce? These are data administrative settings. These are also called as that. So view all and modify all. These permissions are given for only system admin or similar to that one, but not for any others. So in real time projects, you should never give view all or modify all permissions in either permission set or profiles. If you are giving anything, you have to ask for like clients. No, we cannot do this because it will apply for all the users in the org. So you can just send out an email so that we have a written proof, then only we can go ahead. Because so now if you do this, modify all is given to everyone. So what it will do is, so at least like permission set will provide for one user, no? By that user will be able to see all the records, even CEO's records, finance department, HR department will have the salaries, all those things. If that person goes to that records and delete the records, what is the problem? It is a big mess, no? So we'll never give. And yeah, what is the difference between VA and VAD? So view all data. This question you don't know. So let me only answer before that. So here there is an option, guys. If I click on this, you have to observe what happens. view all data. Something happened, no? Did you see any pattern here?
Most of the things are checked, automatically checked.
Yeah, most is fine, but something particularly is happening.
Read and view all is clicked.
Exactly. So this is telling that you view all data means all the objects from all the departments from entire organization. So you will give a permission for all the records, entire organization's record. So previously what we were doing is we were having the records for the entire organization but particular to one object. But here, for all the objects in the organization, we are giving the permission. Okay. See records of all users for single object. This is view all. But see records of all users for all the objects in the org. This is view all data. Okay. This will never happen in the any of the organization, guys. It is just for like your reference that there is an option also. We have to know, no? For that reason we, and one more was modify, no? So now you people tell me what happens if I click on this.
Will automatically check, modify. Edit and modify all will tick.
Modify all means read, edit, delete. Okay, see, everything is checked, even create is also checked. So all the accesses are permitted on all the objects for the users who are part of this profile. Okay, this is just an option for you to remember, but this will never ever happen. Okay, I'll just cancel. So you understood now what is the difference. So one more, guys. So Kalpana created a record and Tom is trying to access. Object is student, OWD is private, thread is yes, VNU, MNU. Tell me what he can do.
Cannot access to the calculator. Cannot access.
Correct. So these things again and again I'm repeating because you will be having a full clarity. Okay. Tell me now.
He can only read calculation. He can read.
So good. Only one girl answered. Why? Others also tell, no? Okay. He can just read the records because of PRO. Okay. Again, tell me.
He can read and edit. Edit calculation.
Correct. So no transfer and no delete. Okay. This tell me what Tom can do with Kalpana's records when this is the thing.
He can still read and edit calculation. Yes, calculation.
Okay. This is tricky, guys. I don't want you to answer correctly. I'm not even expecting. So, whatever you were telling, no? No. Actually, now because of cred is equal to no, so you cannot do anything with respect to your records or even others' records. Okay? Nothing. Nothing he can do. Not even his own records. Even the OWD is telling, I have given all the permissions, go enjoy. But profile is telling, without me, you cannot do anything. Okay?
Yes. Correct one. Yes.
Okay. So now we'll understand in the real time projects what we do is usually we create the app object fields and we make OWD of that object always private. 99% we do this. And then in profile level we'll give just basic access for all those objects which they want to work on the particularly, like if they want to just work on the students and teachers, we'll just give for them cred access, that's all. This is a basic access for their own records at least. And also will give access on the application and tab for the visibility purpose. So when we give OWD without profile permissions, it is of no use, guys. You have to provide the cred access, yes, app access, yes, and tab access, yes. So by giving all these only you will be able to work. If not, you cannot see the application, you cannot see the tab or all these things. Okay. And sometimes we'll work on the login IP ranges. So we spoke in the first class, no? That will also be done. And finally, we'll create the users and add those users into profile. Okay. Sometimes in the real time projects, it is a time taking activity because if there are 500 users, we can create it separately, but while adding the profile it is very tough. So for that we'll use data management tools like data loader and what is that, workbench. Okay. Extra tool we'll use so that initial setup is easier for us. Okay, till this you got clarity, no? I
Yes, sir.
think
Yes, sir.
for this there are some more things. Can we quickly finish, guys? It does not take much. Permission set will add, that's all. Can we? No one is telling
Yes.
yes. Okay then.
Yes, Kalpana.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is nothing much, guys. Just 20 lines it might be. So requirement is we have finance department Tom and Ram and has access to only student object. So now sales department people are Sham and Bean. They have workers object permission. So now we got work more in the finance department. So now we have approached Sham to work in the finance department after his work. So Sham said, no, no, I can't do. Then a company referred, okay, we'll give some 200% bonus. So will you be able to? Then Sham said, okay, okay, I have a good deal, then I'll do it. The next day, Sham came in office and now he's trying to work on the, like he finished work on the workers object and now he's trying to search for student object and he found that there is no access for him. Should he, like, will he be having the student object permission, guys? No, no, he will not be having because in profile we just gave for student and not for the other objects. So now what we have to do is then we went, like client said, okay, since we have went to client and he's telling, oh, why is not Sham not having, so can you give the permission to the, like entire sales department, you give the permission for the student object. Then okay, fine, we gave the object permission in the profile level only. But again client came back, what happened, so all the users of sales department like Beam, everyone is able to see the student, it seems they can even edit all those things. So this is not good option. Can you do something for us? They asked. This, of course, yes, we have permission sets no with us. What we'll do is we'll create a permission set with student object access, and we can assign it to Sham alone. Okay, this is how, this is a use case, and hence we finally created a permission set with having access to student object and assign that to Sham. He will work once completed, can remove also. So once he is done, like finance department work is done, we can revoke the access. Okay. And in the finance department profile, if we consider there are 100 users, so all got modify all permission, so all modifying the data, but only Tom needs it, no? So client asks developer team, can we do something? This is what I have just written it. And our permission set we can do it. So this is how it follows. In OWD we made private profile, we just gave cred access. So for Tom we wanted only like view all, only Tom we wanted the view all permission set, and not for the others. This is one more user case actually. This we can try because we have only one user, so I just tried to um, add extra permission. So in the same department, like Tom is one of the user, but there might be 100 users no in the same profile. So if we give you all permission to all the 100 users, that is not correct at all. So for that reason, we created a permission set with only modify data, that modify all permission set, and we assigned it to Tom. That's all. By this way, we can have the access. In the same way, other department guys can also take the advantage. Here we can create the PS with student object cred option is enough, and if he wants to work on others records, VA is enough. That's all. In the permission set, we can define all this and add it to the new person who is Sham, and we can achieve. Okay. So now, can you fill in the blank? OWD impacts entire XXX for object, profile impacts entire YY, and permission set impacts only specific ZZ from department for the object. Hmm? OWD is for entire what?
Student object. Student object.
Object is fine, but when we change the access for student object, for
Profile.
which people it will reflect? Is it for only one profile, or only one person, or entire organization?
Different profile.
Entire organization.
This is the correct. Okay. OWD is for the entire organization, and now profile is for entire what?
Profile.
Correct. Profile is for limited people, that are department of people. Okay. And this, you can tell me, permission set is for what?
Specific. Specific users.
Specific profile.
Users or group of users or special users. Okay, not specific department or profile guys, because we cannot assign a permission set to a profile. We can just assign it to the users. If we want to add number of users, there will be a checkbox, we can add number of users. Okay. Hope this is clear, guys, for you permission sets. So one last question. So you should be able to tell me. So OWD is private, profile is having cred, VA and MA is no, and permission set is having VA. Yes. So now tell me, this is prof, uh, Tom settings. This one for one object that is students. Okay. So now tell me what Tom can do with others records. Fast, guys.
He can read.
Enable to be all records.
He can able to.
We all records.
View all.
Okay. What about rest people, guys? Not telling answers.
Yes, he can able to see.
See?
Okay. So your answer was correct. See all data in organization. Okay. So they will be able to see because of permissions. Tom can do it, guys, because Tom is having the permission set, not other people in the same profile also. Okay, if someone is same team, like Tom has a team of Ram also, but now Ram cannot see others' records. Only Tom can see because Tom is having the extra permission set added to him. Okay. Now, guys, I think you are good. You people are answering. You got a good clarity, no, for all this OWD profile and permission sets. Okay. Now, tomorrow we are going to work on sharing settings, like sharing rules and role. These two are tomorrow's concept. If possible, try to concentrate on these guys today and finish it off. So tomorrow we can start with the new, like this is also included in the internal security, but this is for object level, but this is for record level access.
Top level. Level.
Yeah. So this is record level access and this is object level access. Okay. So till now we had been speaking about the objects, but here we will be having the like records, how many records, whom records, which records, all those things will speak. Okay. Okay, guys, then.
Okay, Kalpana.
Okay, then. Bye bye.
Bye, Kalpana.
Bye.
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 Bye.